वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा चैनल और साथ ही घंटी को दबा दें ताकि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे।
So today we will talk about router password. That is almost on the back side of router. So in case of this password, maybe you lost from your router on the back side. So how will you record? How you will find this password? Means invent password. So for this purpose, we will go through from today this video. So let's have a start. So for this, first of all, you just have to press Window plus R, okay, CMD, and press Enter. So now you just type ARP and space minus A. You can also press G, that will press A. So that's your router password, main password. So here you can see this last 6 digits is your router password. So here it is dynamic, means it can be changed, means the user can change this password by his own way. And this is IP address, okay. So you will type this IP address and here you will just type this here, as I have already entered this, okay. So I have already changed this password for router. So you can change this from this way and you can find the password of your router password. So much.